Welcome to Augmentum's 2023 Capital Markets Day.
Everything that Augmentum does is absolutely in the sweet spot of the government's vision, my vision, the Chancellor's vision for the United Kingdom.
We have the opportunity at Volt to do what Visa did for cards, to stitch together the world of real-time payment systems to a single infrastructure to make it accessible and interoperable.
What we're actually targeting is full coverage of every fintech opportunity in Europe, and our investment bar is set very high.
We are the biggest company formation agent in the United Kingdom, basically helping entrepreneurs start around 12% of all companies.
We established ourselves as a clear category leader in the markets that we're operating in. We have proved nearly 100,000 businesses. We have funded more than 2 billion by now, across 120,000 loans.
If you look at our three most material exits, all of them have exited north of the carrying value and at a significant percentage increase.
If I see where we are today, we are consistently delivering that NPS of more than 75. It does make us probably unique in the UK banking industry. And we're just about to cross 1 million customers, so that's about a threefold growth since we got our banking license about 3 years ago.
The fintech specialism allows us to get deeper, much faster on every investment opportunity. Digitally native, innovative companies who are best positioned to bring new technologies to market.
We recently added Christoph Mascher to the board. He's the former Chief Operating Officer of Allianz and has decided to work with us to achieve that market position that we have envisioned.
But between the Series A and the Series B, we grew revenue by 95x, transactions by 111x, and volume by 58x.
But I often get asked, why haven't Augmentum written down their valuations to the extent that we've seen in the public markets? And the answer has always been because we never wrote them up.
The problem is that banks are not serving small businesses, so there's a very large hunting ground for us to be successful in.
We as a team have been thinking about AI and working with the technology through our portfolio companies for many years. And we have a number in our portfolio who should really be considered pioneers of AI in financial services.
Do I want to keep my position? Do I want to buy? Do I want to go short? We could potentially have an AI that can learn this game and give us really good input on how we should trade and then also trade automatically.
What we've traditionally done, and we still do very much, is decision AI. We've been using that at scale. There are probably something like 10 or so different models across the Tide platform. We use that for fraud detection, KYC risk rating. If you attach an invoice, if we auto-correct the invoice you're uploading, the system behind it uses decisioning technology.
There are going to be hundreds of very valuable fintech businesses built that do not exist today or exist at a very early stage. And that really is the market opportunity for us and others to capture over the coming years.